Here we go. Here we go.
Following the PS3.
We are gonna teach Livy how to kiss. Okay.
No,
This is working on your moves, alright? The first thing, practice, can you see her? Practice your mouth technique. Use your hand.
No, I'm not doing that one.
Yes, you are. Use your hand to make a loose fist.
Is it like this?
Yes. The crook of your thumb and index finger is a good stand-in for lips. Experiment with leaning in, sucking gently, and moving your tongue around.
Okay, now I'm done with that.
You sound like you're smoking weed.
I know. Do the next one.
Now this one, practicing your body language. Hold a pillow. It will help you learn how to work your hands. Try putting one hand behind it as if it's the nape of his neck, or lightly touching it on the side of its face.
Libby,
You
scoot
get the
back.
idea.
Scoot back.
Is that how I do it or was I doing it wrong?